was a droid made for me, the first speedmaker, quiet zombie. She was the fastest yacht out there, and she could take me about anywhere. Hasta, hasta, oh hasta la vista.
Hey Sana, I'm going to Ayman Islands. Left early about less than an hour ago, and we're going about like 6.5 knots into 10 knot breeze, into the wind. It's not much, but we got the tide against us, so about the 2 knot tide. So it's not bad, but what makes me happy is that in the distance over there we got Avatar with full sail, which is going backwards. So which means that they're going slower than us. They don't have the AIS, and I don't know exactly what speed they're doing, but they're going backwards. So Avatar's a big drive, and it's got massive sail, and yeah, even with 25 backpacker on board, really fast. So yeah, happy. Kind of seeing anything today. I guess my crew is sitting downstairs. We got a big night last night, and yeah, that's cool. So yeah, early beach experience. So see you later. Hasta la vista. We're racing because a GB has been trying to overtake us. We overtook him at the beginning, and now he's been trying to catch up with us. So, and I was in Iron and stuff. So, yeah, but I'm trolling. I'm trolling, and I've got a full supplies, full fuel, full puppy, full everything. So, like a kayak, a dinghy, and also yeah, yeah, we're racing. It's pretty good. Yeah, after doing 6. The wind is not terrible. Like I've got a little bit of a reef on there, so yeah. So at least finally abandon of race. We won. We just stacked. So that's it. We're gonna Hasta La Vista on us. Yeah.
We anchor at the top of Hook Island for a night.
Hey Sana. Beautiful day today. Well, 10 knot breeze, 10 to 12. We're doing like 6-7 knots going to the reef. We're gonna go to Main Reef, pick up a private mooring. Yeah, we're only 5 nautical miles now. It's beautiful into the wind, to northeasterly. We're trolling, see if we catch anything with my new trolling rod and my new rod. See if I can break the picking curve. And yeah, I don't mind. I'm not loving life, nothing better. So much space everywhere.
Wanted. Nice shot, nice. Hey buddy.
He's big enough?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I should have recorded you. Massive one. Wow. Okay. Fuck it. It's massive.
Hang on, let me
Holy hell. Holy hell. Be careful not to jump back in the water. He could jump in the water. Oh, it's massive. Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm sailing for a fun channel. It's really cool. Against the tide, like very light breeze, like 5 knots breeze. What's that doing? 5 knots. Show you around. Just gorgeous. Little night, narrow channel. Yeah. It's very, very, very beautiful. And just peaceful, and I'm very happy right now. Nothing better. And there's a little shadow boat over there. Let's put the Trimaran just to try the motoring flat out, just to try to get priority, but yeah, I don't have my elbow in the water, so nobody, they're not sailing. I'm sailing. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous day. Hasta La Vista. Finally found a freshwater hole, and it's deep, so I'm gonna go for a swim. It's very clear, it's very beautiful. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, and a private swimming pool, and there's no one around, so I'm not gonna wear anything. That's cool. That's nice. Saya, I'll leave you a little bit of go. I'll catch up with you. Saya. Hey Will, so you know I'm just cruising, you know, sitting on 9 knots. It was fucking difficult to come out of that freaking bay, tacking against like nothing, so yeah, that was shit. As soon as I went to the breeze though, that was cool, but yeah, that's where we are. Yeah. Pretty much. And yeah, I can't get the dagger board up, so I would get probably half a knot if I was to get a little bit of the dagger board out, but if I leave the boat a little bit and leave the main hull a bit, writing movement, so sometimes it's good too. Hasta La Vista. So I'm sitting on like 9 knots and I'm at 29 apparent, so flat with the tide. I mean, it's the top of the tide now. Easy. Beautiful baby. Beautiful. Beautiful boat. It's just something else. There you go. It's like no wind. Little 10 knot breeze now. Yes.